And the presentation looked good, but it evolved into where it was 80% of our barbecue sales.
Really? When did you see that people were maybe ordering more brisket than Claude? Or
I think about 10 years ago that we noticed we were running out of brisket, so we started cooking more brisket and everything else. And now we put on more briskets. It's just about flip-flop.
Really?
It does Claude.
that's crazy.
People are not afraid of fat, I guess, and so now the brisket's making a big comeback.
It's about time people aren't afraid of fat.
No, fat's where the flavor is.
Yep.
The shoulder Claude is more forgiving. You can serve it a little rare and it's still tender. Can't do that with a brisket, as you
No.
well know. Brisket is trickier. First thing it does is it gets done. Okay, then you got to keep cooking until it gets tender.
Yep.
And then you got to know when that is so you can get it off.
Yeah. You got to go a little further still.
And if you have to go a little further and you go too far, in my mind, that's when the barbecue sauce comes out.